I am your host, Aishwarya. Before I proceed, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, and do not step out of your house unnecessarily. Please maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. Top headlines that moved the world this week are: 10,000 doses of 2DG will be released by DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization is expected to release 10,000 doses of 2-deoxy-D-glucose. DRDO-affiliated Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences has successfully unveiled the anti-COVID drug 2DG. Mass-scale production will begin in Hyderabad and other centers soon. Ola will launch EV category in London soon. Indian ride-sharing company Ola will soon launch an electric vehicle category on its platform. It will allow the riders to book specifically fully electric vehicle rides in London. The new category has been marked as a global first for Ola. Ethereum founder donates $1.5 billion worth of cryptocurrency to India's COVID-19 relief fund. Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin has donated $1.5 billion of Ethereum and meme-based Shiba Inu coins for India's COVID relief fund. The cryptocurrencies were donated in the fund launched by Polygon co-founder and COO Sandeep Nelwal. ISRO tries drone delivery in Andhra Pradesh. Indian Space Research Organization has tested the usage of drones for medicines and food delivery after ISRO officials came to know about the Chennai-based Garuda Airspace drones being used to deliver medicines. The trial was held at ISRO's residential colony located in Andhra Pradesh. RBI initiates a working group for digital lending apps. In order to regulate the digital lending mobile applications, the Reserve Bank of India has set up a working group. The step has been taken due to rising harassment reports of many online money lending apps charging unreasonably high interests and troubling the customers. Bengaluru headquartered e-commerce firm Flipkart is planning to raise $1 billion fundraising. The Walmart-owned firm is in preliminary talks with investors to raise the amount ahead of its IPO. Niti Aayog and MasterCard release Connected Commerce report. Niti Aayog and MasterCard have released Connected Commerce. This report claims the challenges in boosting the digital and financial insertion and includes ways in which digital services can be made available to everyone. DPIIT launches grievances portal for MSMEs. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade has launched a dedicated portal for MSMEs and other companies to file grievances for alleged violation of Public Procurement Order 2017. The portal will be effective from July 2021. Jose J. Couture appointed as RBI's new Executive Director. Jose Couture has been appointed as the Executive Director of the Reserve Bank of India with effect from May 4, 2021. Couture will look after Human Resource Management, Corporate Strategy, Budget and Rajya Sabha Department at RBI as Zappy Hire launches AI platform to speed up recruitment. In order to speed up the hiring process, Kerala-based startup Zappy Hire, a company under the Kerala Startup Mission, has launched a hiring platform which will use AI, ML and NLP technologies to make the recruitment process faster and smarter. It collects the information from the candidates before the interview and sends it to the interviewers to filter out the eligible candidates. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.